kids, welcome to your GK class. Today from our book GK Planet, we will read lesson number 25, Home Appliances, on page number 38. The objective of this chapter is to learn about different home appliances we use every day in our homes. So, kids, home appliances, also known as domestic appliances, are electrical machines which helps in household functions such as cooking, cleaning, or food preservation. They are a very important part of our everyday lives. They make our lives simpler and more comfortable. We use numerous electrical appliances in our day-to-day life which helps us in different ways. Some of these are mixer grinder, space heater, iron, fan, refrigerator, vacuum cleaner, etc. Now, in this chapter, we will learn about some electrical appliances that make our life easy in detail. Number 1 is refrigerator. A refrigerator is a machine for keeping things cold. It is sometimes called a fridge or an ice box. People put food and drinks in it to keep them cold or good for a longer time. It is used in the kitchens to keep the food items fresh. Number 2 is mixer grinder. A mixer grinder is essentially a mixer with a grinder combined. It is used to do things like mixing, blending, and grinding of different food ingredients. It is used in the kitchens. Number 3 is geyser. A geyser is an electronic device which is used for heating water. It is very useful for heating water in winters to have a warm and relaxing bath. Geysers are widely used within bathrooms, kitchens, and showers for heating water within homes. Number 4 is iron. An electric iron is a household appliance used to press the wrinkles out of the clothes. Ironing also manipulates the fabric in clothes to improve their quality and ensure a long life. Having clean and fresh clothes leaves you feeling better about yourself. Ironing also helps to kill the germs in the clothes. Also, people wearing ironed clothes look smart. Number 5 is washing machine. A washing machine is an essential home appliance that we need to clean the garments. This machine lets you do your washing with the press of a few buttons without wasting our hand washing each and every piece of dirty cloth. It is used in the bathroom. Number 6 is vacuum cleaner. A vacuum cleaner is one such product that plays a significant role in keeping our home and office clean and spotless from dust and dirt. It allows you to easily scoop up dirt and even the finest dust particles from the surface of your room and let you stay healthy in a dust-free environment. Number 7 is air conditioner or AC. An air conditioner or AC is a system that is used to cool down a space by removing heat and moving it to some outside area. It is used in houses in summers to keep them cool. And kids, Mr. Willis Carrier was an American engineer who built the first electric air conditioner in 1902. Kids, there are some do's and don'ts which we need to follow for our safety while using the electric appliances. The do's includes number 1, seal all unused electrical outlets. Number 2, throw away or repair electrical items that have damaged cords. Number 3, before repairing any electric appliance, remember to unplug it. The don'ts include number 1, do not pull a plug out with its cord. Number 2, do not touch electrical appliance with wet hands. Number 3, do not put fingers or metallic objects in electrical outlets. Now, as we have discussed about different home appliances, I hope you all are clear with this chapter. Now, do this exercise and fill in the missing letters to complete their names. Also, revise this chapter thoroughly and do the worksheet given in SNAP homework. Till then, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.